So we are talking about the structure of bacteriophage. As you all know that bacteriophage means the bacteria eater. So talking about the structure of bacteriophage, which is like same as like virus. So this is a head region which is composed of capsid, nucleic acid, which is in nucleic acid they are like DNA, RNA. So these are the head or the capsid part, and this is a collar, and through collar there is a tube like sheet. This is a tail sheath, and this is the tail tube. Okay, so the tail tube is basically the protein in nature, and it is contractile, and the tail sheath is non-contractile. And this is the base plate. This is the base plate of the bacteriophage, and this is like having the tail fibers. So these are the tail fibers. So this is the structure of a bacteriophage. And talking about that, as you guys all know that the bacteriophage name was given by D. Harley. And talking about some points of bacteriophage, the bacteriophage, it means that the bacteria eater. Bacteriophage is the bacteria eater, and bacteria eater, and bacteriophage is like having the own enzyme, because it is having the like about 200 genes consist and came to synthesize the enzyme and protein through the whole cell. So the head is consist of capsid and nucleic acid, and nucleic acid which is coming like RNA and DNA, and the tail region. This is the head region, and this is the tail region. So the tail region is consist of collar, tail sheet, tail tube, base plate, tail fibers. So they are like divided into the tadpole, or divided into two regions. Number one is tail, and number two is head. They make their own enzyme because they are having like about 200 genes, and they are like the complex virus. As compared to the simple virus, they are like complex virus. They utilize the enzyme of the host cell, and while the complex virus is contain more than genes, so they make their own protein and enzyme. But the simple virus was utilizing the enzyme and protein of the host cell. So these are the simple structure of the bacteriophage, and bacteriophage is basically the virus that eat the bacteria, or you can say that destroy the bacteria. So this is a virus which is like bacteriophage.